I am Aradhana and my roll number is 19 Cam 56 and my topic is low nuclearity carbonyl cluster compounds. In these compound less than 4 metal-metal bond is present and the first low nuclearity carbonyl cluster compound is Mn2CO10. In these compounds if we calculate metal-metal bond then use 18 and 16 electron rule. It mainly divided into three steps. Step first is total valence electron is equal to metal valence electron plus electron donated by ligand. Step second, say B is equal to N into 18 minus A. N is equal to number of atom and A is equal to total valence electron. Step 3, metal-metal bond is equal to B by 2 and per metal bond is equal to A by N. If per metal bond is 18, then no metal bond is present. If it is 17, then one metal bond is present. If it is 16, then two metal bond is present. If it is 15, then three metal bond is present, and so on. If we take some example first is equal to first low nuclearity carbon compound is CO10. First we will calculate total valence electron A is equal to valence electron of metal is 7 into 2 and each carbon donates 2 electrons. So 10 donates 20 electron is equal to 34. Second step B is equal to N into 18 minus A where N is equal to 2 into 18 minus 34 is equal to 2. Metal bond is equal to B by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1 and per metal bond is equal to A by N is equal to 34 by 2 is equal to 17. So 1 per metal bond is present. If we draw its structure, Mn two metal and equally carbonyl ligands are donated. Second, carbonyl. Second example is cobalt 2 and carbonyl 8. So we will first calculate total valence electron is equal to metal valence electron 9 into 2 plus number of electron donated by ligand. Total number of ligand is 8 and each ligand donates 2 electron is equal to 34. Second step is B is equal to N into 18 minus A where number of metal present is 2 into 18 and A is total valence electron 34 is equal to 2. Metal bond is B by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. Per metal bond is A by N. 34 by 2 is equal to 17. So 1 per metal bond is present and its structure is cobalt 1 per metal bond and 8 ligands are attached. And our third example is an complex of iron 3 and ligand 12 carbonyl 12. First we will calculate A. Total valence electron is equal to metal valence electron 8 into में 3 plus electron donated by ligand 12 into में 2 is equal to 48. Second step B is equal to N into 18 minus A where number of metal atom is present is 3 into 18 minus A is 48 is equal to 54 minus 48 is equal to 6. So metal bond is B by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Per metal bond is A by N. A is 48 and number of metal is 3 is equal to 16. So 2 per metal bond is present. Our fourth example is from osmium compound. Osmium 2 and carbonyl 9. First we will calculate total valence electron. A is equal to valence electron of metal is 8 and number of metal is 2 plus ligand is 9 and donates 2 electron is equal to 34. B is equal to n into 18 minus A, n is equal to 2 into 18 minus 34 is equal to 2. Metal bond is B by 2. B is equal to 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Per metal bond is A by N, where A is 34 and number of metals present is 2 is equal to 17. So per metal bond is 1 and its structure is equally distribution of ligand on each metal, 3 carbonyl on each metal. Carbonyl. And its main point of using 18 electron rule. 18 electron rule is only used to predict metal bond, but it does not play role to distinguish terminal and bridging ligand. Terminal and bridging ligand. One more example is Ni5 C5 H5 tungsten carbonyl X is equal to 2. Find value of X if metal bond is single. Then first we will calculate total valence electron is equal to 5 into mid 2 प्लस टंगस्टन के वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 इंटू में 2 प्लस में 4x 22 4x इज इक्वल टू 10 12 प्लस में 2 फ्रॉम मेटल 24 प्लस में 4x इज इक्वल टू 36 4x इज इक्वल टू 36 माइनस 24 4x इज इक्वल टू 12, where x is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Then value of x is equal to 3. Thank you.